Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. So watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are done using your Cash App and you'd like to delete your account, then simply follow the steps. First, make sure that you're signed into your Cash App account, and once you are, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Once you do that, from this page, find the support option and give it a tap. In the options displayed on the next page, select something else, and now scroll down and navigate to account settings option and click it on. From this page, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see an option that says close your Cash App account. Give it a click, and it says that closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent your payments from being received, and sign you out of all of the sessions. If you're sure you'd like to close your account permanently, click the confirm button at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your Cash App permanently right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.